2024 GMC Terrain. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.